Can you know who viewed your thread on Threads app? Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. As of now, Thread does not provide you with a direct option to see who has viewed your specific thread. However, there is an indirect method to check out the engagement. So firstly, you can check out the number of like, repost and comment your thread has received, which might indicate the number of people who have interacted with it. You can also see who specifically has liked, reposted or commented on your thread by tapping on the respective icon. In order to do so, you can tap on the profile icon at the bottom to check out your thread. So over here, you can actually tap on the like option or the comment option to check out number of comment as well as who have commented on your post. You can check for replies and reposts as well to check out who have done so. Not only this, by tapping on the notification center, it will let you know who have actually liked, commented or reposted your thread. So this is how you can check out the thread interactions. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.